Ethan and Olivia are having a friendly conversation about their goals and plans for the next year. They discuss their personal, professional, and health related goals and how they plan to achieve them.
Hey Olivia, have you thought about your goals for next year?
Hey, Ethan. Yes, I've been thinking a lot about it. I really want to focus on improving my career and taking better care of my health.
That sounds great. What are your plans for your career?
I want to take some online courses to improve my skills in digital marketing. I'm hoping that by next year, I can get a promotion at work.
Nice. Online courses are a great idea. I'm also planning to develop new skills next year.
Oh, really? What kind of skills?
I want to learn coding. I've always been interested in technology, and I think it's a useful skill to have.
That's awesome. Coding can open up so many opportunities. Are you going to take a course online?
Yes, I found a good course on Udemy. I'll start in January and see how it goes.
Cool. Besides career goals, do you have any personal goals for next year?
Definitely. I want to travel more. I've been so busy this year that I haven't had time to explore new places.
Me too. Traveling is one of my goals as well. Where would you like to go?
I'm thinking about visiting California. I've always wanted to see San Francisco and Los Angeles.
I'd love to go to Italy. I've always dreamed of visiting Rome and Venice.
What about you? Wow, that sounds amazing. Do you plan to go alone or with someone?
I'd like to go with my best friend. We've been planning this for a long time.
That's awesome. Traveling with a friend makes it more fun and memorable.
Absolutely. And I also want to focus on my health next year.
Same here. What's your health goal?
I want to exercise regularly and eat healthier. I'm thinking of joining a gym and maybe doing yoga.
That's great. I also want to get in shape. I'm planning to run more often and maybe even join a marathon by the end of the year.
Wow, a marathon? That's impressive.
Yeah, it's something I've always wanted to do. It's a big challenge, but I'm ready to work for it.
I'm sure you can do it. Any other goals for next year?
I also want to save more money. I'm trying to budget better and maybe invest a little.
Good idea. I want to manage my finances better too. Saving is always a good habit.
Definitely. And what about learning something new? Do you have any goals in that area?
Yes, I'd love to learn a new language. I've been thinking about learning French.
That's awesome. I've heard French is a beautiful language.
It is. I think it would be fun and useful for traveling.
Definitely. So, it looks like we both have exciting plans for next year.
Yes, I'm really motivated to make them happen.
Same here. Let's stay focused and work hard to achieve our goals.
Absolutely. We'll check back in a year and see how much we've accomplished.
Deal. I'm looking forward to it.